So we're going to just take the head out and we'll show you just how that installs. It's pretty straightforward. The cover opens. We're just going to disconnect the belt from underneath.
Open the screw.
And yeah, open the screw and then the machine will hinge back. And there's a little rest on the other side of the machine. Oops, right over there, that little rest, which will allow it to rest on the back of the table. There you go. So for maintenance and oiling and things like that, the felt in the bottom will absorb any extra oil that's dripped into the machine. And yeah, we just bolt it on the table, hinge it forward, put the belt on, and tighten her down. And we're ready to go. And all you have to do is close the lid, and it's all ready to go.